The Amazon rainforest awakens with life.
A vast jungle shaped by flowing rivers.
Every leaf holds silent energy. Nature rules without mercy here.
Colorful wings dominate the sky.
Every bird has its purpose. Predators watch from above.
Small creatures show great strength.
Life moves fast in the canopy.
Voices echo across the forest.
Patience is power here.
Survival depends on instinct.
Silent hunters rule the jungle.
Every gaze carries a story of survival. Even predators need moments of rest.
The river hides many silent hunters. Beneath the surface, danger waits. Life moves carefully on the forest floor.
Small yet powerful, every creature matters.
Unity is survival in the wild.
Every drop nourishes life in the forest.
Even the smallest creatures work together to survive.
Beauty thrives quietly in every corner. Even the tiniest traveler leaves its mark. Life flourishes from the ground up.
Reptiles thrive in this warm, hidden world.
Every movement is careful, calculated.
Patience is the predator's greatest weapon.
The river hides secrets beneath its surface.
Every coil and movement is life preserved.
Every drop nourishes life in the forest.
Even the tiniest creatures work together to survive.
Beauty thrives quietly in every corner.
Even the tiniest traveler leaves its mark.
Reptiles thrive in this warm, hidden world.
Every movement is careful, calculated.
Life flourishes from the ground up. Patience is the predator's greatest weapon.
The river hides secrets beneath its surface.
Every coil and movement is life preserved.
The river conceals gentle giants. Grace moves silently beneath the surface.
Even the smallest hunters move in unity. Ancient giants patrol these waters silently.
As the sun sets, the forest prepares for night.
When night falls, the Amazon transforms.
Silent hunters emerge in the darkness.
The night is alive with secret wings. Tiny lights reveal the forest's hidden life. The chorus of the night keeps the forest alive. Every light tells a story in the darkness. Rain nourishes every living being in the forest. Even in shadows, life never stops moving. The heart of life beats strong in the Amazon. After the rain, the forest awakens anew. Every life here plays a vital role. The forest's beauty is timeless and eternal. Life continues, unseen but ever present.